Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Air fryer. Dual air fryer with 2 baskets. Cook food faster and more conveniently with 2 powerful air fryers in one with a combined 6-quart large air fryer capacity. Versatile cooking options. Dual zone air fryer technology gives you the flexibility to cook different dishes simultaneously or to switch from one basket to the other easily. Food finishes together. Convenient sink finish allows individual 3-quart large capacity air fryer double baskets to finish cooking simultaneously. Wide temperature range. Use digital air fryer temperature settings from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to cook food at low or high heat, just how you want it. Easy cleanup. The removable non-stick air fryer baskets are top-rack dishwasher safe and easy to clean after every use. Cast iron burner. Easy to clean. 6.5-inch and 5-inch cast iron flat cooking plates are non-stick and easy to clean with a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge. Adjustable temperature. Quickly reach and sustain the desired low, medium, or high heat settings with the variable temperature knob to keep food warm or boil hot water. Built-in safety. Dual power indicator lights on the front of the burner remind users when the item is powered on. Non-skid feet ensure the burner remains stable during use. Compact and portable. The compact size of the burner makes it an easily accessible item to take on the go wherever an extra cooking device is needed, at school, office, camping trips, or home. Electric pressure cooker. 7in, 1 functionality. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Versatile inner cooking pot. We use food-grade stainless steel, a tri-ply bottom for more even cooking and perfect for sautéing. Discover amazing recipes. Includes the free Instant Brands Connect app, where you can find new recipes to create quick favorites and prepare delicious meals, available for iOS and Android. Waffle maker. Unique vertical design, engineered to heat evenly and give you consistent results. 5 shade settings. From soft and fluffy to deliciously crispy, get exactly the texture you want. 1-inch Belgian waffles. Roomy, non-stick interior makes for thick, fluffy waffles. Exclusive specialty setting. Allows for high-sugar batters like brownie and cake mix. Precision pour cup. Included cup makes it easy to measure and pour batter. Audible visual alerts. The waffle maker will beep when your waffle is done, no guesswork required. What's included? 1000-watt waffle maker, precision pour cup, chef-curated recipe guide. Cooking torch. Classic. Safe sturdy cream brulee torch. The safety lock could prevent accidental ignition. Also, the ergonomic design provides comfort to your hand and keep away from the flame. The aluminum alloy material adopted makes it more resistant and sturdy. Refillable portable. This butane torch lighter can be refilled after running out of use. With 3 butane adapters included, it's compatible with all types of butane tanks, whether with long or short nozzle. This mini butane torch is small and lightweight, easy to hold. Butane gas not included. Versatile. You can easily control the flame temperature according to your needs. Max 1,371 degrees Celsius per 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, such as caramelizing food, soldering DIY jewelry, cooking, barbecue, baking, brulee, cream, DIY soldering, bar cocktails, camping, and craft. Roti maker. Cast iron tortilla maker. Our cast iron press is seasoned with non-GMO, kosher-certified flaxseed oil and made without PTFE, PFAS, or other forever chemicals. It has a smaller footprint than traditional wood or steel presses for easier storage. Durable manual tortilla maker. Our professional tortilla press was designed with the user in mind. It features a reinforced design with engineered flat plates that prevent pinching and an ergonomic handle for better resistance. Special care. This Pataconera features natural materials without synthetic coatings or paints. Our cookware requires special care and should never be air-dried or put in a dishwasher. Follow the included instructions for proper care and to avoid rust. Drip Catcher Tray Mat. Flex Biceps Faster Drying Size. 14.25 into 5.35 into 0.60, 2.36 diameter single faucet hole. Unlike other products, we have increased the size, thickness, and weight of our products. The latest 5 degrees slope design allows for faster and smoother water discharge and faster drying. This means no puddles to clean up, no water spots by the faucet. Give your kitchen sink an effort-saving upgrade. Flex Biceps Upgrade version. While other kitchen faucet sink splash guards are made from hard-to-clean fabric that takes a lot of time to dry, our silicone faucet water catcher for sink is made from 100% silicone, soft and reliable, reusable and durable, won't scratch your utensils, totally safe to use. Our silicone water catchers will catch the water and the water will drain to your sink, so don't worry about the wet fabric mat or wash the mat and dry it. Paper plates. New look, same great paper plate. Dixie Ultra disposable plates have a fresh, new design while keeping the same strong plate you love to handle your heaviest meals. Our strong and sturdy disposable plates are microwavable, cut-resistant, and feature a soak-proof shield. Plus, they're built with flex-proof technology for heavy-duty paper plates that are 3x stronger than the leading store brand 10-inch paper plate asterisk. Dixie Ultra paper plates are now backyard and commercially compostable. With sustainability and conservation in mind, our responsibly made products use virtually every part of the trees we process, and the trees used for Dixie products are replenished. This bulk paper plates pack includes 172 compostable paper plates 10-inch. Bread Maker. Fresh, homemade bread in 3 easy steps. Just add your ingredients to the bread maker, select the cycle, and press start. Versatile with 12 cycles, make delicious, mouth-watering loaves of bread or prepare dough for pizza and dinner rolls. Cycles include basic, French, gluten-free, whole grain, 1.5 pounds, express, 2.0 pounds, express, sweet dough, roast nuts, jam and bake. Customize bread your way. With the Hamilton Beach bread machine, you can choose to make either 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, or 2 pounds loaves and select from 3 crust settings for light, medium, or dark crust. Beeps when it's time for ADDINS. Before the second kneading cycle, the bread machine beeps to let you know it's time to add fruit, nuts, seeds, or other add-ins to the dough. Vertical Lever. Iconic wine opener. A crowd favorite and bestseller, this rabbit corkscrew wine opener makes opening wine effortless. Easy to use corkscrew. The fastest and most efficient way to open a bottle of wine. By using 2 swift motions of the lever handle, the cork is easily removed. Perfect for sommeliers or entertaining guests at home. Built to last. Independently tested for 20,000 cork pulls to ensure quality and durability. The lever wine opener works on any type of cork. Time saver. Quickly and cleanly removes corks from any size wine bottle in seconds with a single pull, then it easily ejects the cork. Comfortable grip. This rabbit lever corkscrew is designed for ease and controlled leverage.